Okay, here is the before. The goal here is to install a little paver patio for the side of the condo here, so that so the customer can enjoy their grilling without being in the wet grass. And also we're going to put in a couple plants. So this is the before, and as you can see, there's grass there, and you don't want to be down in the dirt and stuff when you're trying to get your grill on. So that's how it looks now. We're going to take out the grass, put in some pavers, add a sprinkler, and put in some plants. I think this is one of the plants, but we're going to put in some, I believe, hibiscus or maybe another option. Stay tuned. I haven't posted in a while. I've been so busy, but stone, block, brick, rock, walkways, patios, fire pits, and you don't want to try to barbecue standing out in the grass. It's football season, so you need a small patio for your grill so you can keep your feet dry. Yes, we got a special going on right now. Just DM your address and I'll come out and get your quote and hook you up in time for you to check out your favorite team. We know the Jaguars are going to get back on track. And also post in the comments your favorite team. FloridaProLawnCare.com. Follow us on Facebook.